Hola, damas y caballeros, Senor Arroz here once again. So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't think there's a teacher in the world who doesn't teach the verb estar. Good old estar, you get exposed to it in Spanish 1, and from there, it lasts for the rest of your life. Usually you're taught that estar is mostly used for naming the location of things and people. It's also used to describe emotions, especially temporary emotions. However, it has some other uses, including, but not limited to, phrases of estar de. That's right. If you've ever been around any Spanish speakers, you've probably heard them say something like so and so está de mal humor, so and so está de buen humor. Okay, so estar de plus adjectives. This is another one that I think is another forgotten lesson, or mostly forgotten lesson. You can take estar, add de, and then an adjective to describe things like mood, things like a person's current employment, and some other situations. Now, as I was saying, I think this is a forgotten lesson. Well, until now, let's dig in. Here are two worthwhile examples of estar plus de plus an adjective. Starting with the one up above, está de buen humor means he or she is in a good mood. Or you could say está de mal humor, meaning he or she is in a bad mood. Right below, él estuvo de mesero y auxiliar de cocina, which means he worked as a waiter and kitchen help. Excellent examples, ladies and gentlemen, of estar de plus adjective to indicate one's mood, and estar plus de plus adjectives, or actually in this case nouns, to indicate one's current employment, temporary as it may be. And finally, these last two concern location and situation in that order. Beginning with estoy de regreso, means simply I'm back. Estar plus de plus the adjective, I'm back, indicating location. And finally, están de veraneo, meaning they're taking their summer vacation. That could indicate location, but I would say it's more like it indicates a real precise situation. Maybe a little bit of both. So, damas y caballeros, those have been a few reliable, worthwhile examples of the often forgotten and much less taught estar plus de plus adjective, sometimes a noun, to indicate things like mood, current employment, situations, things of this nature. Hope you liked this video, ladies and gentlemen. If you did, please hit the like button, please subscribe. The next video is coming very soon. In the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, muchas gracias. Salud, dinero y amor. He dicho.